Name that tune. What is that? You've got it. Yes, it's the Mexican Hat Dance. Welcome to Piano Live at 1:45. This is lesson 32. Yes, that's the Mexican Hat Dance. And to kind of go along with that Mexican theme, I put this picture of a classroom door that's just down from me. This is Elizabeth Barnes' classroom door, and she had some very special students in her room. And you see the little cactus at the bottom. In this class, we stick together, and that they do. I think that's awesome. So we're going to do the Mexican Hat Dance, and thinking about cactuses and the desert. Remember, Mexico has a desert called the Sonoran, and it extends into the United States. So that's something important to remember. All right, let's get ready to do the Mexican Hat Dance. I am going to bring up the sheet. Here it is. And if you would get your devices ready, I'm going to have to make this smaller so that we can see it. How about that? Let's go smaller. That's good. So, let me see if my device is ready. I got to put it on scroll because this is on glissando. So to play the Mexican Hat Dance, let's remember, we're going to need the 2 black key group above middle C. There's middle C, C3. And we're going to need the 3 black key group above middle C. There it is. So we start with that seesaw pattern, I call it, going from C sharp to F sharp. Can you practice doing that? Because we have to do that like 3 or 4 times. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, C sharp, go. C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, clap, clap. Do you remember doing that? We did that a lot when we first learned this song. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, here we go. C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, clap, clap. So what we've just done is this first part. So now it's time to do the rest. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, plain old F, F sharp, G sharp. Let's see if we can do that last part. And if you're thinking about your hand position, we remember that the left hand is playing C sharp and the right hand is playing the rest of the notes. So that's going to come into play very shortly. So let's start C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp. Let's do that. So here's C sharp. So go C sharp. Now F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, plain old F, F sharp, G sharp. And that's the rest of it. Let's do that again. C sharp, F sharp. Ready? Go. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, plain old F, F sharp, G sharp. Can we do that again? Because this is the hardest part. Ready? Go. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, plain old F, F sharp, G sharp, clap, clap. So I'm going to come to the piano now. And remember, the left hand pointer finger is playing C sharp. The right hand pointer finger is playing F sharp. That's all you need for this part, right? But then it gets a little tricky. So for plain old F, you need the thumb on the right hand. So F sharp is the pointer finger we said. G sharp is the middle finger on your right hand. So have you got that ready? Okay, let's try the whole thing. It's coming back up. So let's go really slowly. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, clap, clap. Keep going. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp. And that's it. Let's do it again. I'm going to play like it's hot. Remember, we said to play the notes like they're hot, so I'm going to release them faster this time when I play. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Keep going. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp. Can we try it with the accompaniment? Let's take a chance. All right, so let me escape this. I didn't want to escape. It's too big. All right, let's escape again. So here's the accompaniment. Are you ready? So you get your hands ready. And I'll bring the page back up. 1, 2, ready, and play. Do it again. Again. And that's it. I know the accompaniment goes a whole lot faster, so that might have been a little bit of a learning curve, and that's why we want to practice our songs so that they stay in our fingers. Let's move on to something else. So that was the Mexican hat dance. Let's go back to Old McDonald Had a Farm. We were able to learn the last half of it yesterday. Do you remember that? We worked really hard on Old McDonald Had a Farm. We learned this part yesterday. So let's review it before we play it. Okay? And we're going to try the whole thing with the accompaniment. So, Old McDonald, hands ready. Remember, left hand is pointer finger on D sharp above middle C, middle finger on C sharp above middle C, right hand pointer finger on F sharp. This is the 3 black key group, first key in the 3 black key group. Middle finger on G sharp in the 3 black key group, and fourth finger or ring finger on the A sharp. That's the 3rd key in that 3 black key group. So there we have. Have you got it all covered? So let's start with the C sharp on the end. Are you ready? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play. C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, rest. A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and that's the end. Let's do it again. Are you ready? Make sure your hands are ready. C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ready, play now. C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, rest. A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and that's it. Remember we did a comparison of which lines are alike yesterday in order to help us know how to play, and which lines were alike. We said the first line was just like the 3rd line. Ding, 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 you got it right. And we said the second and fourth lines are just alike except for this part. So I'm going to circle this to remind us we can't leave out that C sharp. Let's play through the whole song. You ready to try it? Let's go from the beginning. And I'll tell you what, well, let's play it like this, and maybe tomorrow we'll do the accompaniment. All right? From the beginning. F sharp, we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, play now. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, rest. A sharp, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp, rest. Keep going. C sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, C sharp, D sharp, D sharp, C sharp, rest. A sharp, A sharp, G sharp, G sharp, F sharp. That's it. Awesome job on Old McDonald Had a Farm. Now, let's go to We Will Rock You. And I did make up an accompaniment. So here's the song, here's the sheet, which I did last night. What you think? I like. Do you like? So let's get our hands together. Remember, this is a white key song. So we're going to the white keys above and including middle C. So quickly, here's middle C. We need C, we need D, we need E, and we need F, okay? So we're starting on F, right? So I'll move right here. So we play F, E, D, C, and then D twice. Rest. D twice. Can we do that again? Start on F. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Now, F, E, D, C, D, D, rest. D, D, rest. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the accompaniment just to see if we can do it. All right? Let's escape this for a minute. And here we go with We Will Rock You. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready and play now. Let's do it again. Start over. This is the last time. How was that? 1, 2. That was Old McDonald, which we'll get to tomorrow. Listen, I'm proud of you today. Let's celebrate. Let's do the checker cheer. So we go on. Are you ready? Ready? Go. Honk, honk. I know you guys are working hard because these tunes are getting a little more advanced. Keep working on We Will Rock You, Old McDonald Had a Farm, Mexican Hat Dance, and we'll be coming back to Rain, Rain, Go Away because it's kind of been rainy lately. Well, thanks for tuning in to Piano Live at 1:45. Happy practicing.